All right, guys, it's Zippity Doodad. We're outside of Hollywood Studios on the eve of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and they said, it's about 10 o'clock, they said they're kicking everyone out, even in the parking lot. So we're not allowed back till 4 a.m. That's when you can come through the gates and stand outside, and the park officially opens at 6. We'll see what's going on. So we're gonna call it a night, be back here at like 3:30, 4 in the morning, and see what happens. So no sleeping out, but we're here. All right, guys, we'll see you in the morning. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, opening day, guys. It's gonna be epic. See you real soon.
This is the This and That crew? I'm going to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge? Are you excited, guys?
That sounds like a cross between Jar Jar and something else.
It's Jar Jar, Nate.
So if we get right to 4, we go right to the front line, man.
That's what I'm saying with him. Don't go at 4.
Be there at 4.
All right, guys, we're on the pathway going from the boardwalk to Hollywood Studios. There's the overpass right there. It is 2:18 in the morning, and we're getting there. Right? We're there. Stay tuned, guys. Triple P.
What? Alright, so we are.
Alright, guys. It is 3:20.
They gotta get us all in here.
I just heard. From a cast member while I was sleeping.
Right?
They were on the ball though.
Okay.
Hey, Deb.
What's up, buddy?
How do you feel about going into the Galaxy's Edge with Zippity Doodad?
That's why I'm here. The only reason I'm doing this, I already done annual pass holder. I've been to Disneyland. I've done this, but I'm experiencing this with all my buddies, all my friends, live together on opening day.
Nice.
How's it going?
What's going on, man?
Josh, how do you feel about going into Star Wars Galaxy's Edge with Zippity Doodad?
Yes. So I'm super excited. I'm awake. I'm like I had 3 hours of sleep, so more than you guys.
Yeah.
So I'm
Jenna! Hey! How are you? Good to see you. We are inside at 4:05.
Kind of where I'm at. Yo.
Yeah.
I need to yeah, our dogs are waking us up.
Can you imagine if you could do like a Google
Our guys are already a little slap happy. That's what I want is a Google Glass chat. And you could just strap the GoPro.
The enjoyment and safety of our guests is so that as many guests as possible can experience Batuu. Our cast will begin to guide you further into the park for your adventure in a galaxy far, far away. Thank you, and enjoy your time here at Disney's Hollywood Studios.
4:30. They're obviously opening at 6 on the button.
Right.
4:28. It's a good thing we listened. Happening.
Here we go. We are going with us all.
Down Archway!
And also with you.
Deb, is that you?
Everybody subscribe to Zippity Doodad on YouTube. He's right here.
sweaty. I am soaked. I ache. I'm hungry. I may have to pee again. And I don't care at all.
Crazy, huh?
I can't even.
Crazy. What do you think, Steve?
Oh, this is the groove I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh, no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. The better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives.
Are you gonna record this?
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first order trade shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you play the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers.
Pilots, the next round.
Oh my god. That is not too good.
That's it. Look back here. Hurry.
Weapons are on light. Left pilot. Right pilot. Nail the jump to light speed. Just pull it. Punch it, Zippity! Uh-oh.
Supposed to be able to hit me.
Who are you?
I don't know, but you're all dark. I can't see you. You're just like a shadow.
You guys with DIZNEY?
Yeah, you guys with this.
All right, guys, we made it. We're at the Millennium Falcon, 7:48. We waited about an hour, got to ride the Millennium Falcon. I was the pilot, and words can't even describe how awesome it is. You have to come and check this out. It is amazing. We haven't even begin to even explore this land at all. So we're gonna go do that, and I'm lost for words. This is amazing, guys.
David, what are you eating? This is the original Ronto's wrap.
Did you like it?
The spicy slaw and whatever. Yeah, dude. It's got some serious heat to it. For real. But it's good. It's good.
Smugglers, pirates, innocent travelers. Hard to tell the difference. Affirmative. Move on.
We'll celebrate it in the Cantina. Is this open?
We're about to hit something. About to hit 70.
DJ JoJo.
Oh.
DJ Joe.
Yeah.
DJ Jeremy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. It's on TV1. They just hit 70K in OGA'S. We love it.
Congratulations.
All right, so well deserved. Thank you.
Hi, Miss Molly Roll. Let's get this party started. I'm gonna pick on you. Can you remember that you are number one?
I'm number one.
I'm a pork. I hate porks. I think they make messes.
They look delicious.
They taste like tibia. Yeah.
So excited.
This is DJ Rex coming to you live from the cockpit of OGA'S Cantina.
We got the other half of Brandy, Dave, JoJo, Kyle, Josh and Jenna, Resort TV1, 70,000 subscribers. Congratulations. Steve from Steve's World, all things fun. The Shep Family and Triple P, perfectly pot hopping Patrick something.
Practically perfect. Park hop.
That's it, Triple P.
This is Jeju, right?
Jeju.
Yeah.
JoJo, what'd you guys get?
Fuzzy tauntauns.
Fuzzy tauntauns.
It numbs your mouth.
Can't feel my face. Josh, what'd you get?
This is the Bantha something. Blue Bantha.
I need JoJo to show me how good this.
Guys, remember we have been awake.
I got the fuzzy thing too.
Just like after friends and content creators and
You say you call a team, all right?
yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, guys. Zips out of Galaxy's Edge is 9:59. Not sure exactly what happened in there. It's all kind of a blur. It was a great day, I'm sure. We'll check out and see what the vlog brings. Galaxy's Edge, opening day, August 29th. Awesome, guys.